First of all, peptides are very exciting frontier in modern medicine. They are essentially short chains of amino acids, and that is the building block of our bodies. We use peptides for hormones, they're signaling molecules. So very important in the human body.
And so there are a few peptides that are FDA approved. Most of them are not FDA approved and without human data.
But it's pretty wide.
But what we need to understand is that science is moving very, very fast. And there is an importance to understand the difference between clinical innovation and hype.
And so depending on which peptide we're using, it has a targeted response in the body. So we utilize them to target things like inflammation, to improve sleep cycles, circadian rhythm, metabolism.
These are all putative benefits. None of them are proven. None of them have gone through what would be considered adequate clinical trials in people. But nonetheless, many are taking these, and it's actually quite extraordinary.
So both 503A and 503B pharmacies are no longer allowed to compound BPC 157, neither in the bulk format or a patient-specific format. So therefore, things like the Wolverine blend, which include the BPC 157 with the TP 500, are no longer allowed to be compounded. So sourcing has become difficult.
Totally. The overwhelm energy until we get this severance package worked out with DR.
Patients should be really asking their healthcare professionals and their doctors, are these medications safe?
Motion. You know what I mean? Like there's nothing forced.
These are really serious concerns. People are giving injections, so this gets right into the bloodstream. Peptides are not stable to take orally, and so this is if there's impurities, there other foreign substances that could be dangerous.
Totally.
If any celebrity is using a peptide and they're saying this is what worked for me, then of course it's going to become more mainstream. People are going to be looking into it.
I think peptides are popular right now because we are the aging generation and we are looking for alternatives to modern day medicine. I absolutely believe in modern day Western world medicine. It's necessary. But there's a lot of other things in the universe that the earth supplies that we could be enhancing on and incorporating in, and our bodies will receive it better. And there's
I hope these peptides, one of them or more, might work someday, but they have to be tested like any other intervention, any other drug. But right now, we don't have any data whatsoever for peptides, anti-aging supplements, longevity clinics, and all these other things in a circus of unproven, expensive, and possibly dangerous um, factors that are out there being heavily promoted.